I love to theme birthday party. My kids love theme birthday parties. I love putting birthday parties together. It's a win-win. My son had a Cars themed birthday party, so I'm gonna share with you all the favorite things that I used to put this party together. Let's get started. These race car fuel can treat boxes are too cute. They fit right in with my son's Cars themed birthday party, and the kids love them. These mini gas can treat boxes are packed with race day vibes. Vibrant colors, checkered flag details, and they're the perfect size for snacks and small toys. These boxes come flat packed and they were super easy to set up. In just a few minutes, all my boxes were ready to go. I was surprised by the size. They were smaller than I was expecting, but they worked out just the same. And if they were a little bigger, they would have looked empty even with all the snacks and toys. So I appreciate the size of these boxes. They're made from durable paper and they held up great with snacks, sunglasses, toy cars. Plus, the colors are so vibrant and eye-catching. These are a great value. You get 24 boxes, they look premium, they feel premium, and they double as decor and goodie bags. So it's a win-win. These mini cars are so cute. I originally bought these cars to make cupcake toppers for my son's second birthday party. They are toys, the wheels do turn, and they actually go quite smoothly. From a size perspective, how much smaller? It's about 2.5 cars. You just want to be mindful of the age that you let play with these small little racers. Although these cars are super tiny and very cute, they have incredible detail. It just looks so detailed and so nice. They feel really durable. My kids roll these everywhere and they go under the couch and they go into all these places that are a lot smaller. So we're losing them a lot around the house. I love them because I bought them for not specifically for playing, but for a decoration on top of a cupcake. It's a great idea if you want to take that. And again, like the detail of these cars, so good. They look just like the characters. They did not skimp at all on the detail on these cars, although they are super tiny. These checkered flag cupcake toppers are an absolute must-have for any race car themed party. I bought these for my son's Cars themed birthday party, and they were a hit. You get 100 flags in just one pack. There's plenty to decorate cupcakes, snacks, and even party favors. Look how much I have left over. The print quality is fantastic, and the flags are flexible but sturdy, and they're not flimsy at all. They look just like those miniature racing flags. Pair them with matching racing themed plates, cups, candy, and you've got a show-stopping setup. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspired you to put on your next birthday party theme. Hopefully it's cars. And if you've had a favorite birthday party you've put together or you had as a kid, let me know in the comments. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you never miss another review. Until then, keep partying.